what I absolutely love always.
Yes!
An obvious item that you see on the screen that I haven't shown you yet. This is a fidget spinner that used to be over $40 back in the day in the summer of 2017. Fidget spinners was the shit back then. This one actually lights up. I wonder if they're gonna have the directions. I can't read Chinese. This one glows. Is it glowing for you? I don't think so. No, it's not glowing. Oh, here we go. This is the fidget spinner.
Okay, that's enough.
So let's go on to the next product. Now, I am a big fan of comedy.
Okay.
One thing that is going to get a lot of attention. I'm not even gonna read it. I'm just gonna let you read it.
Oh, okay.
And then what would you do if you saw this on someone's, here we go, here it is. Wait, let me frame it in frame. All right, there we go.
Huh?
You can see my sense of humor and where it's gonna go. I have a feeling this is gonna be all over Facebook. I'm gonna put it right on the back of my vehicle. It's gonna make people probably have a brain aneurysm from reading it. One thing I always will love and won't stop loving is Power Rangers.
Dragon Sword! Mastodon! Crackosaurus!
And on Temu.com, they had a 100-piece sticker set of classic Power Ranger stickers. So you know what? These are gonna be pretty cool. In the last video, or one of the last ones, you saw that I ordered a pack of Five Nights at Freddy's stickers. Well, there was this new set, so I got these.
Again? Seriously?
These are going to be mine and not to be used for anything. You hear that, kids? These are mine. Okay, all right. Well, you've heard of an elf on a shelf, right? Well, Temu sent us Snoop on a Stoop. Oh yeah. No. Yeah. Snoop on a Stoop will be joining us this holiday season, and you can get your very own Snoop on a Stoop on Temu.com. When I tell you this is the most hilarious Christmas tradition that my family has, it is, and it's real.
Wow, that's awesome.
Okay, I just pulled out an item. I'm gonna say this is probably the first time I am not very happy with Temu because the way that it shows right here on screen is not what I got. Yeah, it looks like the same thing you see right here, but the thing is size. In this case, size matters, right? I ordered that light. Look how big it is. Now, what you see on screen is obviously not, it's this. Let's see my glasses. Here we go. All right, so you see, here's a size comparison. I'm not very happy with this, but you know, you get what you pay for when it comes to certain things. You gotta take risk, right?